Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are exploring one of the most unique and puzzling stories in modern history. This is the story of Vladimir Lenin's body, preserved for almost 100 years, displayed in a glass tomb, and maintained using techniques that very few people in the world truly understand. Vladimir Lenin, the founder of the Soviet Union, died in January 1924. Normally, a leader would be given a burial. But something unusual happened. The Soviet government decided that Lenin should not be buried. Instead, they wanted his body to remain visible to the public forever as a symbol of the new communist nation. This decision began one of the most extraordinary scientific projects in history. When Lenin died, his body was already showing signs of decay. A temporary freezing process was used at first, but it was clear that this would not last long. Scientists in Moscow were asked to find a permanent solution. Two researchers, Boris Barsky and Vladimir Vorobyev, were assigned to the mission. They created a new method of embalming unlike anything ever attempted before. Instead of filling the body with chemicals one time, they developed a long-term preservation system. Lenin's body would need regular treatments, rehydration procedures, chemical baths, and constant monitoring. This was not a simple embalming. It became a lifetime scientific project. By 1924, Lenin's body was placed inside the famous mausoleum in Red Square. Visitors were amazed to see that his face, skin, and features looked almost lifelike. What many people did not know was that behind the scenes, a secret laboratory team worked quietly year after year to keep the body intact. Even today, this team exists. Only a few experts in Russia have the training to care for Lenin's remains. Every 18 months or so, Lenin's body is taken to a hidden laboratory below the mausoleum. The skin is carefully treated with a mixture of chemicals such as potassium acetate, glycerol, and quinine. The team also repairs any small damage caused by time or changing temperature. The suit Lenin wears is replaced regularly, and even his eyelashes have been restored during maintenance periods. Many people believe Lenin's body is entirely natural. In reality, only the outer layers are preserved. Inside, many organs were removed long ago because they could not be kept in good condition. What remains is a carefully maintained structure designed to look as close as possible to Lenin's appearance at the time of his death. For decades, Lenin's body was not just a symbol of history. It was a political tool used by Soviet leaders. Millions of visitors stood in long lines to see him. Even after the Soviet Union collapsed, the Russian government continued to maintain the tomb. Although there have been debates about whether Lenin should be buried, the preservation work still continues. Today, after 99 years, Lenin's body remains one of the longest-running scientific preservation projects on Earth. It combines chemistry, biology, temperature control, and delicate craftsmanship. The team responsible for it rarely speaks to the public. Their methods are partly secret and partly experimental, making this one of the most mysterious scientific operations still active. The story of Lenin's preserved body is not just about politics or history. It is about the limits of science and the incredible effort required to keep a human body looking lifelike for almost a century. Many visitors come expecting to see a miracle, unaware of the decades of quiet work hidden beneath the mausoleum floor. If you enjoyed learning about this fascinating piece of history, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.